India is rewriting its power, rail and renewable energy story at a speed never seen before. As the nation upgrades its grid, expands rail networks and integrates clean energy, one company stands firmly at the center of this transformation. Kanohar Electricals Limited. Incorporated in 1972, we are today among India's leading OEMs and turnkey solution providers. Our expertise spans 4 verticals: transformers, gas-insulated switchgear, EPC of substations and transmission lines up to 400 kV class. Together, these capabilities create an integrated portfolio that delivers end-to-end solutions for the country's power and rail infrastructure. Our flagship vertical is transformers, the backbone of every power network. We manufacture power transformers up to 500 MVA, 400 kV, shunt reactors up to 125 MVAR, and traction and Scott connector transformers up to 100 MVA, 220 kV voltage class for Indian Railways. These units strengthen India's transmission grid and keep utilities, industries and railways running around the clock. At the heart of Kanohar are our state-of-the-art design and manufacturing facilities at Meerut, just an hour from Delhi by rapid rail and expressway. Spread across 2 plants with a combined capacity of 19,200 MVA, we are certified to global quality and environmental standards. The journey of every transformer begins with robust engineering. Our indigenously developed design tools integrated with advanced CAD and ERP platforms simulate performance under diverse operating conditions. Electromagnetic fields, thermal distribution, voltage stresses, all are analyzed to ensure reliability before a single part is built. On the shop floor, laminations of high-grade CRGO steel are stacked to form a precision core. Windings built on vertical or horizontal machines are compressed and stabilized under controlled pressure and temperature for long-term mechanical strength and insulation life. The core and coil assemblies are then dried in vapor phase ovens, guaranteeing deep removal of moisture. Once dried, we swiftly lower them into tanks and vacuum fill with high-quality insulation oil for thorough impregnation. After fitment of bushings, radiators and accessories, each transformer undergoes rigorous inspection and testing at our NABL accredited laboratories. We are pioneers in type testing and validation with more than 200 successful short-circuit tests at government laboratories such as CPRI and NHPTL. We are among the very few Indian manufacturers with certification for 500 MVA, 400 kV transformers. We are also proud to be the first Indian company to receive RDSO approval for a 100 MVA 220 kV Scott-connected transformer, following our earlier success with the 100 MVA 132 kV, both critical for Indian Railways mission Raftar. Supporting this precision is deep backward integration. We manufacture tanks, insulation components, control panels and radiators in-house, ensuring absolute quality control and timely delivery. Our capabilities extend well beyond transformers. We have executed more than 40 EPC substation projects, delivering AIS and GIS solutions up to 400 kV. Our partnership with Chem Group of Taiwan brings proven GIS technology to India. Landmark GIS substation projects in Aurangabad, Lucknow, Dehradun, Bageshwar, Jodhpur, Gwalior, Kulu and traction substations for RVNL in Odisha demonstrate our ability to deliver across demanding conditions nationwide. In just 3 years, our transmission lines vertical has commissioned projects up to 400 kV, including major double circuit lines in Punjab, Jharkhand and Rajasthan, with many more underway across the country. Trusted by leading utilities, EPCs and Indian Railways, we have built lasting partnerships, and the volume of repeat business from our clients is the strongest validation of our work. As India moves towards the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047, we remain committed to indigenization, the Make in India mission and sustainable growth. Kanohar Electricals Limited, building blocks of power and rail networks for Viksit Bharat 2047.